Calling all leather case fans, I have a roundup of some of the best leather cases you can get for the 16 Pro Max, so let's get into it. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. So it's been a while since we've did some 16 Pro Max videos, so yeah, I think this is a good one to get back into it. So let's get started. This is going to be a roundup of some of the best leather cases for the 16 Pro Max. Now I already have done full reviews of these cases on the channel, but this is just a quick roundup video. So if you do want to see full reviews of these cases, I will leave you links in the description down below so you can go and check out those full review videos. Like I say, this is just going to be a quick recap of all these cases. So before we get started, what leather case are you guys using on your 16 Pro Max? Let me know in the comments down below. So first up on this list is the leather collection from the guys at Nomad. Nomad are the OGs when it comes to leather cases. I mean, they're one of the first leather cases I ever really used for the iPhone. It is only fitting that we go through the lineup here. So 16 Pro Max, we have the traditional leather case. So this is a full bumper leather case. The leather goes all the way around the bumper, which is really cool. We do have a cutout there for the camera control, which is a little bit big for my liking, but this is really good. We do have a plastic camera guard here. We do have machined metal buttons, which are really good, clicky, tactile, responsive. But this is a full bumper case, and you know, like I say, you've got good access to the camera control button there. If that's not your cup of tea, we do have then the modern leather case. So this leather case does have a TPU bumper and a leather back. So it is the same Horine leather across the board here. So the consistency with the leather is really good. We have the same good quality machined metal buttons. We do have a nice cutout here for camera control, which is really good. And like I say, we do have this TPU bumper for shock absorption. We do have machined metal buttons, and of course we do have that lovely leather which will age and patina beautifully. And this comes in a selection of colors. So that is the black. We do have brown here as well, but there's also this limited edition green chrome, which I think is really nice. As you can see, I have been using this case, so it's had a little bit of wear, but it is really nice. Goes well with the natural titanium foam. The buttons on these ones are silver, but it has all the great refinements of the modern leather case, which is really nice. I really dig that. It's nice. Then of course, if you're not into all these types of cases, but you like a folio, well, Nomad do one of the best leather folios I think I have seen for the 16 Pro Max. A Horine leather across the board. It is basically the modern case, so it's got the same TPU bumper, it's got the same machined metal buttons, MagSafe compatibility, and then on the inside we've got our folio. So it's all microfiber lined on the inside. You can take 3 cards here, but it also does have this little magnetic clasp which can close your phone over and lock magnetically, but this is removable as well. So if this isn't your cup of tea but you do like the folio, you can actually just remove this, which is really good. Really well thought out case. Now, folios aren't my cup of tea personally. I think they are an acquired taste, but I know that there is certain people out there which love folio cases. So if you do love a folio case, the Nomad folio is definitely up there. Then lastly is this. I have reviewed this for the 15 Pro Max and the 16 Pro Max. This is the Nomad leather magnetic back. This is an acquired taste as well, because if you're a thin minimalist but you do want leather, this is the trade-off. So this goes onto the back of your phone. It does line up with the magnets of MagSafe, but you do have these sticky tabs to secure it to your phone. And surprisingly, when it's on your phone, it does stick very well. I did do a review of this and I did like it, although I'm a bit too scared to rock my naked phone side, you know, with the sides all exposed. I'm too scared for that. For the ultra minimalists that like leather, this is definitely what you should pick up. So as always, quality from Nomad, and that is their leather lineup. So next up then is these two cases from Mujjo. So we have the standard leather case here, which is very nice. It is a full bumper case. The leather goes all the way around, and we have machined metal buttons. We have a good camera control cutout there as well, and it is microfiber lined on the inside. It is MagSafe compatible. It is a really nice case. So if you are a traditional case fan, you know, that is what you're going to get with the Mujjo. It's very nice, it's very familiar. You know, camera control, very easily accessible. it is a very nice case, and it is of course full grain leather. But if that's not your cup of tea and you maybe want something a little bit more rugged, then this is the Shield case. So this is leather backed, but then we have this solid TPU bumper. We've got plastic molded buttons here, and then we have a cutout for the camera control and a lanyard loophole. And like I say, it comes in this sort of, they call this blue steel. It's like a bluey grey colour. Goes quite well with the natural titanium iPhone. And yeah, that's another real good option. It's a kind of a mixture of rugged and minimal, you know, and it is leather case. So yeah, that is another fantastic option for leather cases. So next up on this list, yes, Andar are in the house. So if you want full grain leather and you want a collection of fantastic cases that come in really nice colors, well then Andar have got you covered with the Aspen. So this is Andar Aspen. I have their solar orange here. I have the blue Tech Wave, which is the collab with technically T. Then we have the grey here as well. So yeah, these cases, full grain leather, they smell absolutely amazing. And yes, I mean, this is what you want to see when it comes to leather. It is real good quality leather, good machined metal buttons here, Andar's branding's on the side, metal camera guard. Now the only thing that does let this case down is this cutout for the camera control. If they weren't going to put a button on the case, I would have liked to have seen Andar do a really sleek cutout, and this, in my opinion, is a little bit too big. But that can't take away from the quality of the leather. The full grain leather on this is absolutely top notch. It ages and patinas beautifully. Like I say, it's got metal camera guards, got good metal machined buttons. It's got decent MagSafe as well. It's like, that's the only thing that lets it down for me. But if you are a user and the cutouts don't bother you in the slightest, but you love leather, then you can't go wrong with the Andar Aspen. So like I say, there's the solar orange, there's the Tech Wave, which is very, very nice, and then of course the grey. So that will age and patina very, very nicely as well. So if you are looking for colour options for leather cases, Andar are definitely the ones to beat. Next up then is these are the leather cases from Bullstrap, and as you can see, I have one or two. So kind of similar to Andar, they come in a good selection of colours. Now I do have I've some browns. I have a light brown, I've got a dark brown, I've got like a blue tealy kind of colour here, we've got a slate grey, and we have of course black. These cases are full leather, and the leather goes all the way around on this case. There is another case which has a TPU bumper, which again has metal buttons. They are MagSafe, they are microfiber lined, and they are really, really good. Now, one thing I will say, what Bullstrap have, some of the other brands don't have, is a lifetime warranty. If you get any issues with these cases, Bullstrap have you covered. So yes, are these the cheapest leather cases on this list? Maybe not, but not all these case makers are offering a full lifetime warranty. And if that means something to you, and if you are going to keep your phone for the long haul, it's definitely one to consider. And there we go, look at that. Again, full grain leather, and it is just a lovely case. It feels amazing on the hand and goes so well with the titanium iPhone. So yeah, that is the leather cases from the guys at Bullstrap. Bullstrap also do a series of other leather accessories, and I will have a review coming up on some fantastic leather wallets, so stay tuned for that coming. And lastly on this list are the leather cases from the guys at Ryan London. These cases are really good, full grain leather, they are made in the UK, and they are really, really nice. We do have the usual things that come on all these cases. We've got metal camera guard, we've got machined metal buttons. Ryan London's branding on the side here is very subtle as well. And on the side here we also do have a cutout, microfiber lined, but Ryan London have a trick up their sleeve, because not only did they do a case with a cutout, Ryan London, to the best of my knowledge, as of the making of this video, are the only case maker to do a case with camera control. This one is goated in my opinion. Full grain leather, we have metal camera guard, we have machined metal buttons, decent MagSafe strength, and it is full bumper leather all the way around. And then of course we have that camera control button as well, which is really good. So yeah, can't fault that at all. If you are looking for a top full grain leather case and you need to have camera control, Ryan London have you covered. They have you covered. There is no other one out there, to the best of my knowledge, that is doing camera control. If Apple had made a leather phone case, it probably would have been this one. That's all I'm gonna say. That is my roundup of some of the best leather cases you can get for the 16 Pro Max. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. As always, I will leave you affiliate links to where you can pick all of these cases up. Affiliate links help support the channel, but they don't cost you guys any more money. So if you do pick up using any of my links, thanks for your support. Much appreciated. And that about wraps it up for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button for me. Don't forget to click that subscribe and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. Keep it locked to the channel. I have a lot more down-to-earth tech review and accessories coming for you, so stay tuned. And until the next one, I'll catch you later.